Hey everybody, this is Kate Purvis, and I want to share with you a couple of ways that you can add content to your course. Just a little background, your program director actually has two options. One option is to request that your course be loaded with a previously taught course. If that's the case, you will already have content, but you will need to do some cleanup. So for example, this is a course that was loaded with a previously taught course. And you'll see here, if we go through the standard menu, that there are, if we click on each tab, there are actually old announcements here. You obviously wouldn't want a new course with old announcements, so to clean that up, you would just use the drop-down arrow here and choose Delete. And just kind of work your way through each announcement, making sure that all the old announcements were deleted and only the new current announcements were available to students. You continue to go through each tab in your course menu. The instructor tab is very important. It should have a phone number or an email address of some sort, some way for your students to contact you if they have issues. But this, depending on which course was loaded for you, may or may not be you. So if this is not current and updated, then you would definitely want to fix that. So you would just click the drop down arrow and click Edit. Then you can just go in and simply add the information that you need for your students so that they'd be able to easily contact you if they have questions or concerns. The syllabus is obviously very important. There's more than likely going to be an older syllabus added here. So to fix that, you would click the drop down, click Edit, and then scroll toward the bottom. To remove this one, you would simply click on Mark for Removal, and then you would browse your computer to find your current ADA compliant syllabus. You would attach it and then click Submit. And that way the students would have an updated current syllabus. The content and assignments, this is where, depending on if it's an online course or a hybrid or seated course, you may need to edit some of your directions. So you click the Edit button and you can edit the text or anything, or add attachments, anything that you need. And obviously just make sure that all the content is current and relevant to your course. That's about it. These top 4 tabs are going to be the really most important tabs because these are all going to be standard. BCC resources should be the same in each course. Oops, sorry about that. And go back. So these will all be standard, but these top 4 tabs, it's going to be really important that you clean up. Now, it could be that your program director requested that the course be loaded with a blank shell. If that's the case, you're going to get just that, a blank shell. So you're going to need to create your content. There are some things built into the shell, such as tips or comments for instructors. Anything in red you'll need to read, update, but then delete. So this is a reminder to add a welcome announcement. To do so, you would just simply delete this red and then type in your welcome and click Submit. If you want an email to go directly to the BCC email address for your students, you would also select Send a copy of this announcement. So that way they don't just get the announcement when they log into their course, they get a copy of the announcement in their email. But all of this is blank. You would just need to update your information, no syllabus attached, and no content. So again, these tabs at the bottom come standard. It's just these 4 top tabs that are going to be of most concern to you. So those are your 2 options. It's either to clean up, quote unquote, a previously copied course, or to create your content if a blank shell has been loaded for you. If you have any questions, you can always contact your program director or myself, and my contact information is provided in the faculty support course. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.